Well, hi, so my name is Kamran, and if you're watching this video to become a digital marketer, then it means you are successfully added to this digital marketing internship deck. Now, this entire training deck is made for people who would like to learn digital marketing for a project. The project in this course is an e-commerce store for women in which we would like to sell different products through a payment gateway. Now, your journey starts in this entire training deck with understanding the digital marketing plannings, which means how do you plan digital marketing for a project, starting with project planning, keyword planning, media planning, social media planning, and SEO plannings. Then you are required to complete the exercises of e-commerce store setup, and then finally you launch all of these campaigns one by one. You'll also be needed to complete exercises to start your training. In the end, you have to mark your progress under your name as not started, in progress, completed, and getting issues. You have to understand the course curriculum from the beginning till social media marketing. You have to understand the project plan. How do you plan the keywords? How do you make a media plan? And finally, you will be required to understand generating the sales for this entire website, which is springtails.in. So you have to start your journey by getting into this training deck and watching all of these lectures one by one and completing the exercises for each and every lecture, and finally marking your progress as completed. I wish you luck to become a digital marketer.